Hello! Welcome back to ODL OWL Tutorials. Learn ODL Basics. In this tutorial too, you will learn how to add materials for your students. At the end of this tutorial, you will be able to plan, build, and refine your ODL platform. To make this tutorial easier to follow, we've divided the ODL platform structure into sections. Each section focuses on a specific aspect, making it simple for you to understand and follow. This way, you can learn about the platform step by step, making your learning experience smoother. In this tutorial, we will be focusing on Section 1, Introduction, Section 2, Course Information, and Section 3, ODL Cafe. So let's explore each section together to get a complete picture of the ODL platform and how it works. Before we proceed, let's familiarize ourselves with the different roles and responsibilities in content development. In developing content for self-instructional materials, two main roles are essential: the content writer or lecturer and the instructional designer. The content writer plays a vital role in the ODL platform as a subject matter expertise by crafting fundamental components of ODL, which is educational materials that engage, inform, and empower learners in their online distance learning journey. Instructional designers collaborate closely with content writer to analyze content and utilizing their expertise in self-instructional materials enhancement with multimedia integration to maximize learner engagement and comprehension. First, let's take a look at the dashboard. You can customize your dashboard by clicking on the Customize This Page button at the top right side. You have the option to rearrange the three sections in the dashboard by dragging them to your preferred order. You can remove any section that is not essential for you from the dashboard by clicking on the settings with gear icon at the bottom right side. Don't forget to click on the Reset page to default when you are done customizing your dashboard. On the dashboard, you can only see the courses in which you are enrolled as a teacher. Let's look at one of the courses by simply clicking on the course provided. Welcome to the course page. Here, you'll find your course name at the top, along with buttons for both dashboard and courses on the upper part of the page. These are all the sections in the course page, which we will discover one by one. In this tutorial, we will be focusing on Section 1, Introduction, Section 2, Course Information, and Section 3, ODL Cafe. In Section 1, we have three parts, which is Announcement, Academic Calendar, and How to Use ODL Platform. In Announcement, lecturer can add topic to make any announcement for students. The content will be uploaded by the lecturer. Next, Academic Calendar. Interactive academic calendar provided is for the particular semester at the time the course offered. This interactive calendar will be uploaded by the instructional designer. On the front page, you'll find buttons that lead you to various pages in this interactive calendar. Just click the Start button to begin browsing the calendar, or choose a specific semester for a quick view. How to Use ODL Platform is an interactive guide for students on how to use ODL Platform. The instructional designer will upload this interactive material to guide students on several requirements that is related to ODL. The next section is Section 2, Course Information. Course information consists of welcome message from instructor, course overview, and study guide. In the welcome message, the lecturer will pre-record introduction video to welcome your students to the course.
Welcome to the captivating world of rehabilitation engineering, KQB 7009 DL. I am Dr. Nurafika Hashim, your instructor for this transformative journey of exploration and knowledge.
Lecturer can include introduction of the course and instructor, review the syllabus and other relevant information in the video, and put in contact information in the message section. The course overview section contains essential information about the course, such as course learning outcomes and assessment components. It provides a complete overview of the course, including the course synopsis, course introduction, and details about assessment methods and their respective weightage. Study guide consists of three sections: study tips, list of topic by week and instructions, reminder essential to the course. To-do list. List of topic by week, including any remarks or tips that need to be highlighted at any specific week. You can add assignments, submission, test, important reminders, etc. Online classes. Rules and Reminders is an interactive rules and reminders for students during online classes. Next is the ODL Cafe. The ODL Cafe is a space where students have the opportunity to introduce themselves and acquaint themselves with one another. In this section, you can add anything you would like your students to answer, making the class more engaging and fun. In SOS, help needed. Student can ask questions regarding this course, can be answered by both instructor and other classmates. And that is all for Section 1, Section 2, and Section 3. This introduction sections serves as a foundation for students to gain a better understanding of the course subject before delving into each week's content. By extending a warm welcome to students, you can inspire them and instill the belief that you are with them throughout the semester, and all learning objectives are manageable and achievable.